Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure role permissions in Retool for Teams, detailed guide step by step clearly. To configure role permissions in Retool for Teams, first, log in to your Retool account. Navigate to the Settings section from the dashboard. Click on the Team tab. Here, you will find a list of all current team members. Select the team member for whom you want to set permissions. Click on the Edit button beside their name. In the pop-up window, locate the Role drop-down menu. Choose the appropriate role for the team member from the list. The roles typically include admin, editor, and viewer, each with different access levels. Next, review the permissions associated with the selected role. If necessary, configure custom permissions by navigating to the Custom Permissions section. Here, you can specify access to particular resources, like APIs, databases, and apps. Make adjustments based on your team members' responsibilities and projects. Once you've made the changes, click the Save button to apply them. Repeat this process for any additional team members as needed. After all permissions have been set, inform your team about their access rights. Finally, return to the main dashboard to ensure all configurations are correct. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.